Hello, in this video, I will show you how to calculate the amount of pipes you will need for your underfloor heating system, as well as how to proceed with zoning. First, to calculate the amount of pipes, you need to take the total area, multiply it by 1.5. This will give you the number of linear feet you will need to cover the entire area. With this amount of piping, you will be able to make 2 rows 10 inches along the exterior walls, and then filling at 9 inches. In a future video, I will show you in more detail the distances to respect during installation. Once you know the quantity of pipes, you need to plan the zoning to decide whether you will buy 300-foot rolls of PEX or 1,000-foot rolls of pipes. With 300-foot rolls, you will generally cover larger spaces like the garage or living spaces that include the living room, dining room, and kitchen. With the 1,000 feet roll, you will do smaller rooms like the bathroom, bedrooms, offices, because you will have a bit less waste. With a 1,000 feet roll, you will make about 4 circuits of around 250 feet. What is important to know is that with a circuit, you must not exceed 300 linear feet, so that the temperature difference between the supply and return is not too large. And a roll of 300 linear feet will cover about 200 square feet. So let's say you have a bedroom that measures 300 square feet times 1.5, that will give you 450 feet of pipes. You will know that you need to do it with 2 circuits. And if you ever have a bathroom that measures 620 square feet times 1.5, that gives 180 feet of pipes. So for this room, you will be able to do it with a single circuit. What I recommend is to put thermostats in each room. Sometimes we have clients with a slightly tighter budget who will choose a single thermostat for the basement. It is possible to do so, but I still recommend installing the pipes as if you had several thermostats. Actually, our manifolds have flow meters and manual valves on each circuit. So you will be able to, if you want, let's say, the bathroom a bit warmer, reduce the flow of all the other circuits so that there is a bit more radiation reaching the bathroom. If you ever want to have the bedroom cooler, you will be able to reduce the bedroom flows once again so that this room is the coolest. It's true that it's never as comfortable as putting thermostats in every room. In a future video, I will show you the advantages of installing thermostats for each room and the drawbacks of having just one. That concludes the video. If you enjoyed it, I invite you to visit our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions about some of our products, I strongly invite you to visit our online store. With that, have a great day.